Want to know how to become a competitive programmer? Becoming a competitive programmer takes time, dedication, and practice. Here are some steps that can help you get started. Learn the basics of programming. Before you start your journey as a competitive programmer, you need to have a solid foundation in programming. This includes learning programming languages like C++, Java, Python, or any other programming language of your choice. Understand data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms are essential to becoming a competitive programmer. You need to learn about arrays, stacks, queues, trees, graphs, and other data structures. You also need to master sorting algorithms, searching algorithms, dynamic programming, and other algorithms commonly used in competitive programming. Participate in online coding challenges. Join online coding challenges and contests on websites such as Codeforces, CodeChef, TopCoder, and HackerRank. This will help you improve your skills and learn from other competitive programmers. Solve practice problems. Solve as many practice problems as you can. This will help you apply the concepts you learn in real-world situations and build your problem-solving skills. Analyze others' solutions. Analyzing other programmers' solutions to a problem can help you understand different approaches and learn new concepts. Participate in group discussions. Participating in group discussions on forums, Slack groups, and Discord channels can help you get feedback on your code, learn from others, and find new resources. Remember that becoming a competitive programmer takes time, patience, and practice. Don't get discouraged if you don't see progress immediately. Keep working hard and stay committed, and you will eventually achieve your goals.